Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Please subscribe this channel to give me energy to continue. Thank you. We have 10 and 1 over 5 divided by 5 and 1 over 5. So we have 10 divided by 5 gives us 2. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1, and 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Now we have 2 divided by 1. So this expression is equals to 2. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics, we have two mixed numbers here that we have to solve this as a proper fraction. So let's solve this expression. 10 times 5 gives us 50, and 50 plus this one gives us 51 over the same 5 divided by 5 times 5 gives us 25, and plus this one gives us 26 over the same 5. So according to the KCF, that is, keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So keep first fraction 51 over 5, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 26 over 5, 5 over 26. So now we have one expression that we can simplify it. So 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. Now we have 51 times 1 gives us 51, and 1 times 26 gives us 26. The last answer is 51 over 26. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy to continue. Thank you.